Hello children, welcome to my maths notebook channel. Okay, this video is very important children. In this video I am going to show the tips for board exam. Okay, how we have to present our answer, especially in maths exam. Children will confuse what to write and how to present their solution. Okay, especially in writing exam, what is your answer, if it is correct or wrong, but we have to present it very clearly children. Okay, writing is very important. First point is writing is very important. Okay, how to write the solution. Okay, it is very clear for teacher to understand. Very clear letters we have to write. Okay, it is mistaken, it is wrong or right, we have to write in clear letters. Okay, then only the teacher who is checking your answer is going to check very clearly and understand the answer in first line only. Okay, and what lines you are writing. First lines we have to write, first line 6 to 7 or 8 words we have to write. Okay, per line we have to write this one 6 to 7 or 8 words. Okay, now writing is very important. In this words gap is very important children. Gap we have to give in words. Between every word we have to give distance one. How much? This length of your finger gap we have to give for every word. Okay, two lines answer. If you write two lines, then we have to write in very clearly, and it is neat and clear. Okay children, it is very important. Writing process is presentation and process of writing what you are writing and very clear handwriting. Okay, 40% is of writing only we get marks. 60% is of your answer, but 40% is about writing children. Okay, focus on writing, practice writing, always take papers and writing practice we have to do. Before we are going to exam, we have to write clearly letters and words gap we have to give. And after completion of one answer, we have to start with gap of one line or two lines of gap after starting second answer. Okay, if you don't give any gap between one and second answer, then the teacher will confuse the presentation of your answers and they will cut the marks. Okay, now cutting off any answer, wrong words or wrong answer. If you cut like this, don't like this, we have to cut like this. Strike it by one line, simple line. Okay, it will take a simple line to cut the wrong word or wrong solution. We have to take it like this, cut this. Okay, if you cut the four lines like this or like this, we cut this, the presentation will get wrong, bad manners and bad impression on your teacher. Okay, so cut like this. If you cut four lines, it is wrong answer, then you are confused how to cut this. Okay, simply strike this by one line, so that is get the good presentation for your answer. Okay, now different types of answers are there. What types? Point wise also there. And what difference between any, and formula based question. Okay, and also solution type. Difference between is not in mathematics, it is for theoretical exams. Okay, point wise also we can't get in. Okay, we can't get in maths. Okay, formula based and solutions, 3 marks. 3 marks questions we get, 5 marks questions. If you get 5 marks, 10 marks. For 3 marks we have to write at least 4 or 5 lines. Okay, for 5 marks questions we have to write 6 or 7 lines. For 10 marks we have to write more than 10 or 11 lines steps we have to write. Okay, how to write the solution? First of all, what process, how to present the solution? If you have a sheet of paper like this, okay, this is the sheet of paper. Okay, you are like this, you are getting the question, and what way we have to present the sheet of answer of one page of answer you are writing, or 2 pages. Okay, first we have to write the question here. Okay, and next answer solution we have to write here like this, and we have to start from given we have to start from what is given in the question, first step. And second step, what formula what we are using, formula is second step. And third step, what is the solution we are expressing in this, okay, is the third step. And fourth one is what result we are proving, conclusion we have to show, like what hence proved we have to write in the conclusion, and or otherwise we have to write hence verified. We have to write after completion of solution, last step we have to write the conclusion, children. Okay, like this we have to write in the solution in 4 steps. Okay, and clearly I will show here. If there is a sheet, again I am explaining you. First step, what we have to write, given. Okay, in stepwise we have to present the answer. Okay, children, very important tips, children. So before going to exams, you have very few days to go, so please practice this pattern of exam presentation. In every exam you have to write this only. In theory exams like science, English, you have to write paragraphs and difference between in science, like table wise we have to write point wise in differences. Paragraph means we have to write first 2 lines important points, and next we have to content based. If you are not sure, we have to write in third, fourth lines, and last we have to write the conclusion of the paragraph. And like this we have the science, English and social studies, we have to write the pattern of different types of answers. But in maths we have to write the step by step procedure presentation. This is the given step. In this we have to write what is given in our question. And second step, what is the formula we are going to use. Okay, in the box we have to write, children, please highlight your formula in the second step, what formula we are going to use. Like for example, a plus b whole square is given, and a square plus b square plus 2ab, and highlight this by a simple dark pen like black pen, or what pen is using you, we have to use in this formula step. Okay, third step is what, children, we have to express your solution here. Solution means we have to verify this solution, like if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, we have to substitute a comma b in the formula a plus b whole square. And now this is the solution we are going to do. Then a plus b whole square is equal to 2 square plus 3 square, like this we have to solving is the third step, and hence we get the some solution in this third step. And last fourth step is conclusion. What in this conclusion we have to write, hence we obtained, we have to write. Or if we have to verify any formula or verify any proof, then we have to write what, hence verified. Or if we have to prove anything like AB equal to BC, or any formula we have to prove that if we given in the question, we have to write in the fourth step, that is hence proved. Okay, very important point, children. Like this we have to present the solution in maths board exam 10th class. Okay, very important tips. 99% student also applied this stepwise procedure for presentation of any solution, any math problem. So apply these tips, children, for writing the exam very clearly and very in good presentation. Okay, then only you get 5 by 5 marks. Okay, if you don't apply these tips, you get only 3 marks or 2.5 marks. They will cut of seeing writing only, they don't give marks. Okay, full marks you will get whenever you write this step by step procedure. Okay, and introduction, main content, conclusion is in theory parts. Paragraph or the introduction, and conclusion content what we have to write in the middle of the part. Conclusion in the last step. Okay, theory parts we have to, theory exams we can clearly write. Okay, now, in long answer questions also we have to apply these steps, children. 10 marks also we have to write 11 or 12 steps, 12 lines. For 12 lines means 12 steps we have to write for 10 marks questions. 12 minimum 12 lines we have to write, children. Formula based we have to write easily, or proving question we have to apply this. If you are prove, we have to line by line we have to write. Okay, now paper model. Okay, underlines definitions, and if you have to write definition here instead of formula we have to write definition. Please write down the definition, underline definition, and write the in clearly. Okay, if formula is also there we have to highlight the formula in the middle of the problem. It will look like better to present your answer. In finally, if you have the pattern of sheet sample paper, practice before 15 days, children. Take sample papers and section, what sections are giving, A, B, C, D are the sections, and which section, so many children get confused which section A we will start or first, B we are going to start, or C or D. So first we have to practice before going to exam. Don't confuse in exams. Okay, first day we have to practice with A section, B section, C section, like this method. And second day go to the manner, take C, D, B, A method. Okay, practice this. If you are easy, if you are looking like this, solving section A, section B, after that section C, section D, it will get more time or less time. Copy in your diary. Okay, copy in your list that this method will get more or less time. Okay, by solving the examples you have to get more or less time, then it is very easy method. If you are doing this method, C after D and D after B and B after A, then write down in your diary. This takes more or less time. Copy this important points. Then third pattern is what important pattern that more children will do this, D, C, B, A. Okay, and copy this. In this how much time you will occupy. Okay, and copy that this pattern is easy or this pattern. See which pattern you will get easy to solve the problems. Don't confuse in exams. Okay, children, before going only we have to practice the patterns, which pattern we are going to solve first, which section we have to solve first. Okay, this DCB pattern is very important, children. More children want to satisfy with DCBA method. Okay, so go for DCBA. After that last section is A. First solve D section, C section, next B and A. So this is the tip we are going to give you, that solve by this method you will get less time and very easily to solve the problems. Okay, don't confuse in exams which method we have to apply. First practice these methods one by one day, then you will get the idea which pattern we have to use in exam. Okay, you will get some ideas before going to exam. So practice these steps, practice in your papers, books, like doing in step by step manner, which I am telling here. First, given we have to write in step 1. Step 2, formula we are going to use. Third, we have to solve the solution. And fourth, we have to write the conclusion obtained in the third solution. Okay, by these steps only we get the presentation very clearly, and 100% marks we will get. Okay, this is the simple easy tips which we get to write in exam. Presentation is very important, children, not answer is important. How we are going to present our answer on the answer sheet. Okay, please write down clearly and easy manner, very clear manner we have to present our answer. Okay, thank you for watching my channel, children. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos and 10th class maths interesting videos I am going to upload you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.